Hello, welcome back, my dear friends who are watching these videos to learn. So today we're going to continue with class 11 mathematics chapter 2 relations and functions. So in the first video, we remember what we did about we studied about ordered pairs, the Cartesian product of sets. How do we multiply sets, two sets or three sets also. So in this video today, what we are going to do is we're going to discuss about relations. Relations sikiwa ajina. Relations sikilobo itu pisite domain of a relation, codomain, range itu concept kana ji sikilobo aru last day moi man bhal ekta example kuri dibo pura concept to clear hoi jabo. Okay, so in the beginning a lot to confusing hobo pare hoile be chinta nokorbi moi koanisina last of videos abo moi last day ekta solid example ekta kuribo tatibra apni na relations la concept to domain, range, codomain la concept to pura clear hoi jabo moi definitions kan bi dibo aji to. So pen paper ani lobi ready kuri lobi. Shall we start? Okay. Alright, so now let's begin. So what is a relation? What is a relation? Now this concept has been confused by many students, but it's very simple. Okay, very simple topic as here. Last talk clear ho jabo. Now relation is nothing. Okay, let me keep it very simple. That is, among last video, this I say two sets, A and B. Aro itu duita set to kininga multiply koribo itu bi saise Cartesian product of two sets A cross B. Now itu relation koa to ekta simple set ti ase ki koa ekta simple set ti ase itu bi itu aman generally dino kore R bra. Okay, so it is also just a simple set only. Okay, this is also just a set only. All right. But when does it become a relation from A to B? So a set R, okay, itu ita relation ko parebo A pra B top na, and set R is said to be a relation from A to B if condition no khali itu is if aman pa laga set to na R set R do if that set R happens to be a subset of A cross B. So if this set R, that our new defined set from A to B, is a subset of A cross B, then in that case R is called as a relation from A to B. Simple as that. Okay, bujise buja nai na all of the confusing mui koanis na chinta nokorbi last talk sabo example ekta ekdom solid explain kori dibo. Okay, so in simple words, in definition wise, this is what we will write. Please take out your pen and paper and then please do write with me along with this. So what is a relation? I will give you a definition, so you can just write down let A and B be two non-empty sets. Okay, let A and B be two non-empty sets. Then relation R from A to B. Then a relation R from A to B is a subset of A cross B. Alright, you can please note down the relation. Thus, R is a relation. Thus, R is a relation from A to B. From A to B, which also implies otherwise that R is a subset of A cross B. Alright? Okay, now this R also is going to be a set of ordered pairs because it will be a subset of A cross B. So A cross B to amount last video di kurishe ordered pairs holai do na. So idu R laga ordered pair do each ordered pair do idu hobo if an ordered pair R logobra olaishi wele na, if an ordered pair belongs to R, then we say that, I hope you're with me, then we say that A is related to B. Then we say that A is related to B. And we can also write, and we also write, wait, okay, we and we also write A is related to B. If it is not related, by chance related to one, we should be very simple. A is not related to B. Relate no issue, okay? Alright, so that's it. That's what is a relation. So I'll give you a very small example. Among example, definitely last day. Example, you suppose say we can do elements set A, into set A or set B, A, B. Okay, two sets, set A and set B. To multiply A cross B Q A cross B. A cross B Q one order pairs one A, one B, 2A, 2B. And suppose, okay, suppose ekta set ekta ase R. Ito define green thakibo question dina. To arita set suppose R ekta line ase. R itu la set to hoise, let's say 1A, 2B. To sorry. Itu R set to 1A, 2B. Itu A cross B la subset hoise. Na A cross B la bacha hoise. Itu set to na. So it clearly R is a subset of A cross B. Tamarne R is a relation. That means R is a relation from A to B. Itu gi koya magan relation. Okay? If a set R, which is defined, is a subset of the Cartesian product of two sets A cross B, then we say that that set R is also a relation from A to B. That's a simple concept, the basic concept of relation naga. Okay? Alright. Iti aru domain, range, aru codomain relation naga. Na, to apni likhi lobo, we aste ever dictate kuribo. Okay? Domain, range, and codomain. Okay? So, like if R is a relation, if R is a relation, okay, if R is a relation from A to B, what are we going to discuss here? Domain, range, codomain. Domain, range, and codomain. So if R is a relation, if R is a relation from A to B, if R is a relation from A to B, then we know that R is a subset of A cross B. Okay? So first one, domain. Domain mane, please write down as I will dictate. Domain means the set, write down, the set of all first coordinates. The set of all first coordinates, the set of all first coordinates of elements of R. The set of all first coordinates of elements of R is called the domain of R. Got that? Okay, I repeat once again. The set of all first coordinates of elements of R is called the domain of R, and it is denoted by domain of R. Okay. Second is about the range. Range will be the set. Write down. Don't worry, I will explain. We have an example. Okay. Range will be the set of all second coordinates. The set of all second coordinates of elements of R. Now, the set of all second coordinates of elements of R is called the range of R, denoted by range of R. Okay, and the last one, that is codomain. We can write down. Codomain means the set B, the second set. Now, because A relation from A to B which relate to second set. The second set B. The second set B is called the codomain of R. Is called the codomain of R. Okay, don't worry. Example is there that will just clear all your concepts. Okay, all of confusion thakibo pare example to clear koribo. Or arrow diagram pa represent koribo paribo one relation to arrow diagram mane do Venn diagram type to thakibo no na arrow diagram. So suppose elements aman itya kora laga ki raisile 1 2 A B, set A to B. To relation laga man ki raisile 1A aro 2B. To idu ini arrow bra mark koribo 1A aro 2B. That's called an arrow diagram, not a big concept behind that. Okay, ini diagram bra represent koribo. Okay, so finally, what do we have here? Range though, a range R is said to be a set R is said to be a relation from A to B if the set R is a subset of A cross B. Domain means the set of all the first coordinates of the set R or the relation R is called the domain. The set of all second coordinates of the relation R is called the range, and the second set B from the relation from A to B. Now the second set B is called the codomain. Alright. Now let's clarify. If there are any doubts, let's completely clarify all the doubts. You can write one example. Let's do this problem. Okay, you can just write one example, that is, let A be a set 1. Let A be a set 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And B be another set. B be another set. I'll just take the help of this textbook. 2, 4, 6. 2, 4, 6. Okay, so two sets are given. Show that the set R, which is given by the set of ordered pairs 1, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4 is a relation. Is a relation from A to B. Is a relation from A to B. Full stop. Find number 1. Find the domain of R. Number 2. Range of R. Domain of R. Range of R. Okay. Number 3. Codomain. Codomain of R. Okay. Number 3. Codomain of R. After this, also, that means all in one question is there. Pura concept clear ho jabo. Depict the above relation. Depict the above relation. Depict the above relation by an arrow diagram. Chalo, let's start with the solution quickly. So, I am key proof to set R do it a relation as from A to B. To it whole it set R do A cross B la subset over. That means aman A cross B to bishar over. 3 3s are 9, so 9 order pairs will. Let's do it quickly. A cross B muyati direct chalo 1 2 na order pair do line over fatafat 1 2 1 4 1 6 2 2 2 4 2 6 3 2 3 4 3 6. Now into sum it. 1 2 ase 1 4 ase 3 2 ase 3 4 ase. Now clearly it set R is a subset of A cross B. So we say therefore R is a relation. R is a relation from A to B. Among the first video we saw from A to B, the first order elements kando it order pair the first element to set A brahim lagi so to or B to second element to B lagabra ahibo na set to A cross B. First video we saw. So those have any confusion, you go back to the first video and please go through it. Okay. So first part proved, show that it is a relation. So done. This part is done. Finished. Now next is what? Codomain. So some of you were writing down the definitions. You might have been confused. I gave you the definition. Okay, what is the code? What is the domain? Simple. Domain money. What did I say? Domain of R. Okay, I rubbed it off again. Sorry. So what was? I'll just rub this off once. So what was my set R? I'll just write here again. The set R. What did I give you? The set R that I gave you was 1 2 1 1 4. 1 2 1 4 3 2 3 4. That was the relation, isn't it? 1 2 1 4. Yes, 1 2 1 4 3 2 3 4. So what was the explanation of domain? Domain was the set of all first coordinates of the relation R. Set of all first coordinates of the relation R. First coordinates 1 1 3 3. Whenever one sets to repeat number, so 1 3. The first elements can do that will be considered as the domain. Okay. Second to range range of R to range 2 means second coordinate. So second coordinates to 2 4 2 4. Repeat number elements can to second coordinates were 2 and 4 of the set R. So the second coordinates relation R. So that represents the range R. Okay, next codomain. So codomain will be what? Codomain just is the second set. So in relation to kuntu set from kuntu it was from A to B. So codomain was simply the set B. The set B to set B is 2 4 2 4 6. Done. Okay, now the last question, that is depict this with the help of an arrow diagram. Okay, I'm going to rub this off. Depict this with an arrow diagram. So it's quite simple. Arrow diagram simply kushik tiny set elements can any dot per represent group. So set A or set B. It was from set A to set B. Okay. So set A the 1 elements 1, 2 and 3. Or set B the set B the 2, 4, 6. 2, 4, 6. So in relation to first order pair 1, 2. So simple 1, 2. Arrow mark per represent next 1, 4. 1, 4. Done. 1, 2, 1, 4. Next 3, 2. So 3, 2. Got that? 3, 2. Khali the arrow mark by represent next next 3, 4. 3, 4. Bus. It will be quite arrow diagram. Okay. So that's it. The concept, simple concept for class 11. That's all we require for class 11. So class 11 law concept law relations to simply a set R, just a set R which has to be a subset of the Cartesian product of the two sets A to A cross B if it is from A to B. Will we get B to A? That means it's going to be a subset of B cross A. So I believe this example has cleared everything. Domain, first elements, codomain, second ordered elements, and range to our codomain to second set from where to where, second one, A to B. So it's B going to be B. If it's from B to A, then it's going to be the second set A. Okay, so concept to please view kuribi, like kuribi, and then let me also know so that I will be confident, and then next video the exercise to solve from the NCERT textbook. I'll completely solve the exercise. So till then, happy learning. See you again very soon in the next video. Bye bye.